What is a vector database? What are the pros and cons of it over a relational database like MySQL or Postgres?
So in the last few years, we've seen the rise of these specialized vector databases that are designed to store essentially embeddings generated from these machine learning tools that exist today. Think of things like OpenAI. And these databases are essentially storing these vectors in a specialized index that allow you to do nearest neighbor search quickly. So the idea is that instead of just doing a sort of traditional predicate that you do in SQL, like or something equals this or something less than that, you would say for this given value, find me the existing values that are closest to it in this high dimensional vector space. And so when it comes down to it, these vector databases are essentially just storing these specialized indexes that allow you to do this efficient nearest neighbor search. They still need to store additional attributes about the data, the entities they're actually storing, like the name of an object or the name of a customer or a sales date, things like that. And that's usually represented as JSON. So it's basically a document database system, but with these specialized vector indexes. It is my opinion that the need for a specialized index like this is not required to build a brand new database system architecture, and that existing relational database systems can add these vector indexes, and we're already seeing this happen now with systems like SingleStore, ClickHouse, and in the case of Postgres, there's several competing extensions that provide this capability. So the one thing that these vector databases do that better than the relational database systems is they have better integration with the existing tooling or the AI ecosystem that's out there today. OpenAI, for example, or LangChain and other things. They can just sort of natively integrate those things directly in the database system. Whereas in Postgres and others, you have to do that externally in the application code. But again, it's not a reason to build a brand new database system architecture. And I expect that within the few years, every relational database system will have a high performance implementation of a vector index that can do the nearest neighbor search that vector databases can do.